warning for northern Harlan County, Leslie County, southwestern Letcher County, southeastern Perry County, southwestern Knapp County until 6 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Moselle, or 11 miles south of Hyden, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Conti around 5:30 p.m. Big Rock around 5:35 p.m. Slep around 5:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Daisy, Black, and Letcher. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Harlan, Knott, Leslie, Letcher, and Perry. Flood warning.
If you're curious, no, that's not Channel 4. That's Channel 3. Channel 4 is still out if I show you. They've been out since 3 o'clock or so. And that worries me. That if their transmitter on Channel 4 got hit with something. Yes, it is dark in here. Do not mind it. Do not mind me. But yes, we're also morning for Morgan counties in Kentucky.